CSV files are a common format for the storage of data. CSV stands for comma-separated values. CSV files are easy to work with and can be read by Microsoft Excel, making them an ideal way to output data from a web application. To begin this lesson, open the Market Trader project from your Sample Files folder. And open marketdata.aspx in Design View. You're going to add some code to make the Save as CSV button functional. Add a click event handler to the Save as CSV control. Now add the following code to the new event handler to extract the data from the database. Using data access data class equals new data access int market ID equals convert.toInt32 drop down list market dot selected value var records equals data class dot get market quotes market ID. Next, you'll need to add some code to cycle through the database records. Add the following code on the next line inside the using statement. String CSV string equals empty for each quote record in records. The CSV string variable will be used to store the CSV data that you are going to create. Add the following code inside the for each loop. CSV string plus equals record dot quote date dot to short date string CSV string plus equals comma CSV string plus equals record dot quote value dot to string 0.00 CSV string plus equals \r\n. This code stores the values from the database in the CSV string variable, separating each value with a comma. \r and \n are the escape codes for a carriage return followed by a new line. New lines are used to separate records in CSV files. Finally, you'll need to add some code to save the CSV file onto the web server. Add the following line of code after the end of the for each loop. System.io.file.writeAllText c:\practice \asp.NET expert \marketdata.csv CSV string. This code saves the CSV file to c:\practice ASP.NET expert marketdata.csv. The path used in this example uses two \/ characters between each of the folder names. This is because the \/ is considered to be a special character by C#, known as the escape character. A backslash can be used before any special character to allow it to be included in a string. It's also used to indicate special escape codes such as \r and \n. For example, if you wanted to include inverted commas inside a string, you would do so by using \inverted commas. Sometimes, as in this lesson, you really want to use a backslash, but need to work around C# recognizing it as an escape character. In this case, you can use a double backslash to tell C# that you want a regular backslash inside your string. If a string variable is marked with an error, it is often because it is trying to use special characters without first using a backslash to escape them. Now let's test your code. View marketdata.aspx in your web browser. Now click Get Data and click Save as CSV. Next, close your web browser and, using Windows Explorer, navigate to C Practice ASP.NET Expert. As you can see, marketdata.csv has appeared in this folder. Double-click marketdata.csv. If you have Microsoft Excel or another program that is capable of reading CSV files, the file will be opened in a familiar table layout. If you don't have a program that is capable of reading CSV files, you can skip this step. Now return to Windows Explorer, right-click marketdata.csv, and click Open with Notepad. The CSV file you created is shown in its raw state. Close Notepad now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 9-7. Write data to a CSV file.